Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download Google Drive video without download option. So maybe the person or the user has restricted this or maybe set this as view or just commenter and not as editor. So what you're going to do here is you just have to go to or tap a new tab, and then this time you have to go to Google Web Store and then look for any extension that can help you download this video. So there are tons of extensions right here that can help you download a Google Drive video. So you just have to go to Chrome Web Store, click this one, and then go to the search icon and then look for like a video downloader or Google Drive video downloader and so on. So once you write this or type this, then you just have to press enter. Then you will see tons of results and feel free to try whatever extension you can see here. So actually, I can't guarantee that all of this can help you download a specific video, but you can just simply try. And the most common, platform or tool that can help you download a video from Google Drive is this IDM. Internet Download Manager. So all you have to do is you can just paste the URL here and it will see the result down. But actually, before you can just simply see it on the or beside the video. But right now, I think they have changed the settings, so you need to manually do it. And like before, that you can just simply see it on the top of the video, and then all you have to do is to click download video. But you can also do this thing. You can just paste the URL here, click OK, and then download. So this is just one of the many tools that can help you download a video here if there is no download option on your Google Drive. So feel free to download this Internet Download Manager, or you can also go and see some extensions or tools that can help you download a video from Google Drive without a download option. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.